an 029 here. It's an older saw. Somebody sprayed red paint. It came from Carolina, city government there, and they had red paint. Whoever number 5 was, that's who used it. This little piece is broken off in the back. Doesn't hurt anything, and nothing else is broken. A 20-inch bar, good chain, and it may need adjustment depending on where it's shipped to. I'm gonna start it up for you, let you hear it run. Starts right up, real easy. Got good compression. All right, 029, got a lot of power, runs good.